Yo, what up, guys? So today we got some interesting news articles I'm going to share with you guys. And before we do, always got to check the daily prices. And right now, Bitcoin at 7.8, pretty much 7.9K, under 8K for today. But the dominance is slowly increasing. It's at 43.4% now. But look at Ethereum, 550. Goodness, Ethereum took a mega dip right now. Let's see what else. Cardano's 15 cents is down about 2 cents from yesterday. Neo's down about $7 from yesterday, and I'm not going to go through the whole list, but look at Dash, under 400, and we're just taking a beating today. So, I mean, look at Icon, below 2. So you guys can see these prices, not too pretty to look at, but check this out. This is interesting to see because I feel like it's one of those articles that you kind of can't really get the 100% accurate answer, but it kind of makes you wonder what's really going on. But basically, you guys see the title. The trustee of the infamous Mt. Gox denies that the Bitcoin Cash sales affected crypto markets. And even recently I made a mention about the article talking about how the price hitting almost 5,900 pretty much BTC was cause of Mt. Gox sell-off. But here they're stating that, yo, this was not part of us. We did not cause that. But it's kind of hard to believe, because then if that didn't actually cause it, then what really did cause Bitcoin to drop that low? And here they're just talking about pretty much how they're doing it in a not the ordinary way where you just go through a normal exchange, but it was kind of a different way that I'm not too sure on what they're talking about. But pretty much either way, they still sold it off, so it's not like it didn't do anything. It's still going to affect the price regardless if you did it on like some dark web area. Even some guy on Reddit mentions that. But what's interesting is the dates that they mention, and it's kind of interesting to hear the dates. But see if I can find that really quick. But they stated how it was pretty much from December down to January of 2018. And if I'm correct, I'm pretty sure that the actual price of Bitcoin that took the dip to down to 5,900 was not in those months. So let's see real quick. I'll go to the charts and then we'll see what's going on. So let me go do a 3-month look, and let's see here. So looking at February, if I can zoom in. Yeah, let me see if I can zoom into this junk. One sec. Actually, yeah, here we go. That's better. So I'm going to go and zoom out like right here, and then pull this back over here, and then we can take a look at the price. So we see here, if I can get it as low as I can. I hit a coin market always tripping, but pretty much 6,000, but I'm depending on what exchange you're using, pretty much like 5,900, but basically 6K. And this is when a lot of people were saying that they are using that as the reasoning for Bitcoin hitting that low of a price. Because if you go back and just see from the all-time high to at least now, I don't see any other spot that's lower than that price. So let's see real quick. And I mean, obviously right now we're at 78, but based off just Bitcoin, you probably get a better idea on TradingView, but I just figured I'd just do real quick here. I can even add the Bitcoin price too, just make it look cooler. But let's see here, market cap. That's weird. Yeah, so here pretty much you can see that that's probably what you guys are using too. But yeah, for the most part it's in February, and based off this Cointelegraph article, they state here that an earlier report released March 7 to the Tokyo District Court has said that the Bitcoin Cash sales took place between the creditors meeting in September and then the one on March 7th. So however, the report released today clarifies that the sales took place between December 2017 and January 2018. So I'm sure maybe that could be accurate. Let's just say that's accurate. So let's just start off from January 31st. So Bitcoin's about 10K at that point. So obviously, if they did sell before, that could cause the avalanche effect, and then again cause the price to continue to dip, which that could be a reasoning. But as far as the details on the story behind it, is kind of like, if that's not the real reason, then what really is? But basically, there's some Reddit posts of some guy saying that a Reddit recent post from Reddit summarizing Kobayashi's position from today's reports had garnered conflicting opinions. So Reddit user Vieira Frank commented on the post that just because you transact on a dark pool doesn't mean the price isn't affected. So obviously, when they mention about the not using the normal regular exchanges, it's still going to affect the price regardless. And then another Reddit user, this guy Smox, the author of the post, added an alternative explanation for the market dip in the past couple months that does not include Kobayashi. So he says here, Large holders sold at a high price, driving the price down on the back of FUD about the Tokyo whale about to dump 160K more Bitcoin because he's been recklessly selling using market orders. And then all turned out to be complete. I'm guessing that's BS, as I suspected. Someone else was dumping and manipulating it in this way. Once you start an avalanche, there's no way to control it. So, hard to really see what's going on, but definitely, hopefully, we figured out, what's the real cause. But obviously, we're not going to know 100%. But if this wasn't the cause of it, then it could be some other whale out there just causing the price manipulation. But then again, we're still doing pretty well as far as the overall market price compared to, a couple months back. So, obviously, we're just in a bearish market right now. But let's move on to this article, and this could be maybe a more positive way to look at the crypto markets in the next few months. But obviously, today is not going to change much. But basically, secretive Wall Street firm includes Bitcoin in its traded assets. So here, trading firm Jane Street Capital, they report this. Look at this: 13 billion daily in equities around the globe. That's massive, and includes they started including or has included Bitcoin in its traded assets, based off Business Insider's report on March 17th. And apparently this Jane Street trades over 56K products globally across a wide variety of asset classes, including Bitcoin. So apparently they only founded in 2000, but the company's website reports that 5.6 trillion was traded across all products in 2017. So that's massive, man. If we can get this these whales money into Bitcoin, institutional money into Bitcoin, the crypto market, then that's when we're going to see real money just flowing in. But until then, we're just going to have to sit on the sidelines and wait and hodl. But there's a lot of theories I'm hearing about how there's going to be a super pump of money just coming in the next few months. And I'm not too sure how that even, how people can even predict that unless they have some inside information of some whales out there or some mega super rich people out there that are trying to do some type of craziness in the crypto market. But obviously, I've sure some of you guys even comment on my video telling me to check this out. But it's kind of one of those things where it's like, is it really gonna happen or not? You can't really predict that. At least if you're just a normal retail investor. Now, if you got insider details, then it's a completely different thing. But I don't have those details, so I can't really tell you too much on that. But here's what's interesting too is that a major American investor, Bill Miller, told reports in December 2017 that he had invested a whopping half of his hedge fund's money in Bitcoin. So I don't know how much money in this man's pockets, but I'm guessing it's a lot of money. It's not a couple thousand, I know that for a fact. Probably hundreds of millions of dollars, if not more. So if we need more of these guys that got the racks to get into the crypto market, then we'll probably see Bitcoin take off again. But until then, we'll have to wait and sit on the sidelines. But obviously, still in it for the long term. But aside from that, that's all I have for today. So if you guys have any thoughts on those articles, I showed you guys what's really causing the price to dip, or if you guys have any other opinions on it, comment down below. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.